Hi, I'm Dan at Michael Engineering. Do you have a potting job, filter end capping, or small casting to fill? We have the solution for you. This is our Superi. This compact air-driven meter mix system is capable of delivering and dispensing self-leveling 2-part polyurethane in a wide variety of adjustable ratios. This unit comes with low-level alarm system, an agitator, a heater to gently warm the material, and desiccant protected reservoirs to keep your material safe and dry. This unit comes standard with a thumb button, trigger switch, and 9-foot hoses. This Superi is an excellent choice for a wide array of jobs. Give us a call to learn how the Superi can make your job easier.
Simple, economical, dependable at michaelengineering.com. For all dispensing needs, you can contact us for speed.